Hi, welcome back to my channel. It's Viola. Very Merry Christmas to you, and I'm really now looking forward to New Year's, and so I thought I would do a New Year's hair tutorial here on my channel. So I'm starting off with clean hair. It's probably been about, I washed it probably about 3 days ago, and so the curls that I had originally put through it, they have now kind of come out of my hair. So to start off, I'm going to just brush through my hair. I just start at the roots and then work my way up. I think I've said before, like, I don't brush my hair like every single day. It's not part of my routine because it does brush out curls and texture and stuff that you have. You can probably see there. So the first thing I'm going to do is just put half of my hair up temporarily because I'm going to be curling it. When I do this, I don't add any extra products or anything like that. It's already got heat protector in and all that kind of thing. So when adding curls, I start with the underneath, and for this half I'll probably do about 4. And if you see me looking down, it's just because I've got my mirror down here. I'm just doing the end portion of my hair. There we go. So this is kind of the starting point for how I usually would wear my hair. So I kind of curl it in the end parts of my hair. I really like how it's actually curled at the moment, but I would then like rake my fingers through it and break up these curls. But today we're going to be doing something a bit different. So for this updo, it's an half up, half down look. And I'm going to leave down my fringe, but just depending on how your hair is cut, I recently got the front of my hair cut to leave more of a definitive fringe or bangs. So I'm going to leave those down, but if not, then pin the whole of your hair up. So first of all, I'm going to start by just taking this small section of hair here. You can see this small section, and again another section from this side, leaving the fringe down, but it's almost just a layer of hair there, and you just make sure you've got a small amount from the top as well. And you're going to need, for this whole look, just one small hair tie. You can use a different kind of elastic. I'm just going to tie this, making sure there's no tangles when you tie it. And you only really need to wrap this round twice. You don't need to bind your hair into it, just like that. And so just to kind of show you a bit closer about how much hair I leave out, it's literally just a strip, just enough for me to have the hair down like that. So now I'm just going to grab pieces of hair from each side, and you're going to need a stack of pins, and I'm just going to start to cross these over my head and pin them. And you want to go one side at a time, and the smaller the pieces, the nicer it's going to look. and you really need to be hiding the elastic. So there we go. My hair is really secure and it's in this nice half up, half down look. And so now you just want to loosen everything up so that this will give it more of a whimsical look. You have to be quite careful, but you're like just loosening that. So there is my super simple half up, half down New Year's Eve hair. This is really easy. I wore my hair like this for my sister's wedding. She really wanted a certain kind of hairstyle, but we were each able to do our own take on it, and I did my own hair for her wedding because that's what she wanted. She wanted us to do our own hair and our own makeup, so this is what I went for, and it stayed in all day, and that's what I want from a New Year's Eve hair look. You want something that you're not constantly going back to the bathroom to be adjusting. The fact that it's got all of these pins in means that however much you move your hair, it's going to stay like that. When you get really hot, it's already pretty much out of your face, but I would just bring these two parts back and kind of have it like that if I was really hot, but I was fine throughout the whole of her wedding day, and I think I'll be fine for New Year's as well. I hope you like this look. I know that a lot of people have been saying they'd like me to do other sorts of hair tutorials, so if this is something that you like, please let me know and I'll start doing things that are a bit more complicated, a bit more complex, and be trying out lots of different things if that is what you want. Thank you for watching my channel. Hope you have a great new year, and I'll see you in 2019. Bye.